We will now create the About section, which is this section we see here, with my name in the top, an image, a lead paragraph, a block quote, and one more paragraph. These are all contained in the card component. So we go into our code editor, and first we'll create a grid container to limit the width of our content and center it on the page. So we have the div tag with the class grid container. Inside of that, we'll now create a horizontal grid, a grid X using the class grid X. We'll apply padding to it by adding the class grid padding X. Now our left column will be 8 columns wide, so we add the class large 8 and cell. Inside of this, we'll now create our card using a div tag with the class card. And inside this, we'll create an H2 heading element and give it the classes card divider, H3 to make it the size of an H3 heading element, and align center to center align it. I'll now write my name here, close the heading tag again. Then we'll add the card image by adding a div tag with the class card image. This will wrap around our image tag, and the source will be img/1000 times 500.png. This is the image that we have got right here. Now we'll create a div tag to contain the content of our card or the text. So we add a div tag with the class card section. I'll now create our lead paragraph. So this is a p tag with the class lead. I'll now paste in some text here from the finished project. So this is our random paragraph. Now we will create one more paragraph without the lead class. I'll copy and paste this text here again. Now we need to create the block quote. So we add the block quote element, and we'll give it the class text center to center the content inside of it. We have a p tag with the same text as up here. Then we have a side tag to show the author of the quote. So this will be my name once again. Close the side tag. Finally, we have a last paragraph. I'll just go over here and copy the text and paste it in. Now let's save, go back and refresh. Select the right tab and refresh. Here we see that we have got our first card, but as we can see, something doesn't look correct. This is because we need to create some custom changes using CSS. So we'll add a style tag up here. First we'll give the background a color. So we target the body and use the background color property and give it this color here. Then we target our grid container class. Give it a margin top of 2 rem, and then we'll target our heading in the card by writing card divider dot h3 and we'll give it the margin bottom of 0. Now let's save, go back and refresh. Now we can see it looks exactly the same. This was the About card.